कराची KMC ग्राउंड से मैं ज़ैन अली आपसे मुखातिब हूँ और एक दिलचस्प मामला यहाँ कराची में गुज़िश्ता 3 रोज़ से जारी है, जब बरतानवी फ़ुटबॉलर कोच यहाँ कराची आए हैं और कराची का जो पसमानदा इलाका है लेयारी, वहाँ के बच्चों को ये तरबियत दे रहे हैं ताकि आने वाले दिनों में वो इंटरनेशनल लेवल के फ़ुटबॉलर्स बन सकें। Thank you so much, Alex, for your time. First, I would like to ask you, you spent 2 days in Karachi. You played with these boys. What do you think about these boys? Are they talented or not?
Yes, yes, very talented, lots of talent. So we're quite lucky because some of the really talented boys that were here at the start of the week have come back again today. So what we wanted to do was give the opportunity to everybody and give them a platform to showcase the skills and the talent that they have. The boys of this area back home are street football players, street ballers. You can tell that they've played on the street, and what they've got a little bit different. So they're used to playing against players that might be taller than them, that might be stronger than them, that might be a little bit older than them, but that doesn't stop them.
जी, बात आपने इनकी सुनी। कहते हैं कि कराची आकर बहुत अच्छा महसूस कर रहे हैं और यहाँ के जो बच्चे हैं ये बहुत टैलेंटेड हैं। अगर इन पर मज़ीद तवज्जो दी जाए तो ये आलमी सतह पर पाकिस्तान का नाम फ़ुटबॉल में जो है वो रोशन कर सकते हैं।